My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl. What if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked, someone who never.
So now go chop.
You can't tell me where fi do, where fi go, how fi dress, me no papi show.
Hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment. Stay connected, people. Hey guys, so back with another weekly vlog. I completely forget to say I'm going to weekly vlogs, which means that my film record every day of the week. I never remember today Tuesday, but I did feel tired and laid off, so I said when I get up I'm record. Anyways, before I go any further into this vlog, please click the like button. Anybody that comments on my video 10 times or more get a free shout out in my next video, whether it's business, whatever you do, I'll give you a free shout out. I basically need the comments to push my channel. That's the raw truth. I need to push my channel. So I need people to comment on my videos. I need people to like my videos. Anyways, I feel sick. I don't know. I feel like I have an inside fever. I realize that these days Domonic, like during the day, he may really want the fun pan him, can say I'm cold. I feel like him have a sleep. I don't know. I don't know if the fun cause it or what, but I like, I don't know. Anyways, I did a client this morning. Of course I'm gonna show you before and after. Also, my about 11 o'clock client, she texts me she late. It's almost 12 o'clock. I'm in hear from her, so not even know because I go up on the road 1:30. I go back at the bookstore, get the rest of stuff for the book list. Go get my stuff them for my smoothie, and I forget some makeup related for my clients. So I go do now the stuff them with the year, so I go sanitize them and pack them out back in order, organize them and see. I guarantee not even know, to be honest. I go up on the road later than 1:30. I'm gonna have stuff doing at the evening. And the reason I'm not charge on a late fee because I say I never really have much plans, but things come up and I have to get back strict with the late fee because this will go affect my entire day. I'm going to record makeup later. So this will go affect my whole day. Anyways, this morning I eat banana cheese for breakfast. Have my smoothie, something them run out. I make banana cheese and orange juice. Now I'm hungry. It's after it's soon 12 o'clock. I eat out damn sitting cornflakes and drink water. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I prefer to drink the smoothie them than eat actual food. I have to feed for the food or something to eat it. Anyways, I go sanitize and see how the rest of the day go, and I'll keep you guys posted as to what's up. Okay? Mr. Guys, me not working as stress this. Anyways, the client come but in our face.
Yeah, I don't really care about your body type. What really matter now your vibe. I be the one for you. Don't really have to be if you are to go. Ain't nobody fine like you. Girl, I be the one for you. And I feel like I told you my whole life.
Up on the road now. But guess what? The receipt for me I look for how long just pop up and there's upon the dresser. The PLS receipt. After I done cut the something for the shoes and try to adjust it for him where he go school. Now him that school and him take out the time because it's burning. And the receipt, the right here so it never there so all along. Me just when I done cut the shoes, cut off something, and now I still have to make him wear him going out shoes that school because teacher say I take off shoes every minute. I gotta just give the shoes to somebody for find somebody where probably like wear a size 5 or something to give the shoes to. I forgot buy your next school shoes now. Anyways, me go on the road. Full dirty stinking tape. Look how long me look for you. Look how long. Look how long me look for you. Nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to be found.
Nowhere Domonic to be found. And no, when the shoes done, can't come back. This thing just pop up out of nowhere. I'm upset bad. Me I go run up on the road. Me I wear my yard shirt. Me not change a shirt yeah. I'm drawing up on the cook pants. So me I wear about 3 times now to go up on the road. I eat me I wear go up on the road.
You're upset?
I'm okay, it's fine. Anyways, that's what's going on. Of course, I'm going to do before and after for the client. And I think my client I'm going to go down to. I'm going to stop at 3 mile, meet a client, pick up something, then go down to and go get something from the smoothie. And then come back and stop at the bookstore. And then come home back. I'm not very car on the road because I don't have to own business that. We can't bother with that. So I'll check in.
I don't get you.
I'm upset. Guys, when I 3 mile ago, near my place.
Fine now.
Tell them say fed up.
I'm fed up.
Good morning. Hey guys. So this is the next update. Today is Wednesday morning. Why the phone keep on drop down? Wednesday morning, and your girl is up making breakfast for Domonic to go to school. So I'm making his favorite, or one of his favorite, macaroni and cheese. This one clip more water in it. I know. Macaroni and cheese with chocolate tea. You call it chocolate tea with a Milo medium. You know Milo or chocolate, so it's just a chocolate tea goes in Milo. So like an object phone and just a drop. So on the agenda for today, I'm gonna drop off them at school. Come back, I have clothes to wash. Then I tell them to send my machine mash up. Really have wash it and I still not call the man to come up on the machine yet because I have more important things to do. So I just go and tough out with my Anna. And let's see. Also, I have 2 clients today. Stupid phone. I have 2 clients today. Let's look up. So I buy a charger yesterday for my phone and the charger now work good. Like you know, normally if your phone plug in, you cannot use your phone and your phone not charge like going up while you're using your phone. This one, if me use the phone while the plug in, it'll go down a decharge if that's a word, and also it'll take forever to charge. So they should bring it back. So I'm gonna bring it back this morning. Well, I'm gonna bring it back this morning. So I'm gonna drop them at school, come back, wash out some clothes, just the basic clothes, them sheet and something. And I think I'm gonna wash them this morning. Come on, go down at town, bring back the charger, and then come back and prepare for my clients. By the time the clients come, because at 1:30 them come, I time for them to leave school. I'm gonna pick up the money from school, do the clients. I'm going to work on some content today, makeup content. So yeah, that's on the agenda for today. That's about it. That's all I'm doing today. So if any additional, bring on the journey. But so far, people, I'm drinking enough tea. So I fill up this morning time. The same water cup if I bring to school. When I send him water cup, I'm sending him a bottle of water. So this full of tea. taste fresh. But me not can't taste properly. Because I can't taste properly. I know. I'm going to see if I find an orange. My time to buy orange and burn it with sugar. I'm going to see if we can get my orange out of the road this morning. And do that. I'm going to be done before I'm eating breakfast. I'm going to move faster the way there. At least no son him done it. Just put on him clothes. Wipe off him mouth, wash him and whatever, put on him clothes. So yeah. Anyways, how y'all doing? I don't like comment. I don't like me comment. So okay, I like you just must come watch the video and see what me I do. That's it. When I help me grow the channel, when I comment so my channel can grow. Wanna stay body? Wanna stay bad? Wanna spell bad? B-A-D-D-D. Anyways, mac and cheese done make. So put it in a plate. Put it in the freezer, make it go and cool. By the time I'm done bake, it will be cool enough in that yeah. Like a new bag. So me go to next to go buy my green blends and something. The lady never have no, she's a Thursday, she get them something in the pan. And before make sure so whatever me I do, I forgot incorporate shake in it too. It's just that I not have no oats now or something. So me going out the one store in front of which you sell and go see one Benton bag for sale. So me buy it and then of course me have the lunch bag and something. So I'm gonna rotate the bag then. I'm never buy my new bag because them daddy them let's say it's not like set the bag all night eliminates for the spending and whatever. But I'm still gonna buy one bag and I'm gonna buy one next shoe. So yesterday I think I say I wonder if I make one full spending because I could have not buy the bag, make up the money for go buy one next shoe. So I still buy the bag. It's whatever. Really. You know, once I Domonic, it kind of giddy so. Just what them Domonic? Yeah. You not plan to eat them yogurt here?
I won't eat them.
If you miss them, what the expired date? If I make them on a spoiled, you know, a problem, you know. December. So long? No, January 24, 2022. So long, them milk something last. So anyways, okay, you have time, you can eat them. Anyways, guys, I'll keep you all posted. So, bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't put me down.
Alright guys, bye. See you in my next update. Guys, Domonic and I are having the girlfriend talk. But I will come telling them. So Domonic slung here so a while ago. And out of nowhere him start whisper about him girlfriend. And him say, Amoy. I think he said something about Amoy. So me now hear him, so me I said to him say, wait say about girlfriend? Him start behave shy. So me try to talk to him, so I said to him, so I'm not going to be upset. Just tell me. You don't move, so I need to sit. Just tell me about your girlfriend. So I said she pretty, him say yeah, she have some bubble something right here. So apparently you put man.
No.
Him say him and him friends them talk about girlfriend at school. Hey, I can't manage. Tell me more about your girlfriend at school, or the girl that you like at school. You know.
The girl of the bubble up her ear, right here, and right here.
Oh, okay. Is she pretty?
Yeah.
So why you like her?
Because she have the bubble. Bubble.
She have on the bubble?
The bubble.
Oh, so you like her? You like to see her in the bubble?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's of color.
Oh, color bubbles? Okay.
Pick up the stringy.
Good morning, guys. Hey y'all, it's Thursday. I didn't get to update you guys yesterday. Yesterday the clients came like after 3.
So big, work, Lord, have mercy.
Keep passing like I do. 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 All this was up in my jeans. You can get a bad feeling. Both us fighting. Could he try most night? Trying to see if you can handle the sass. Probably give us a panic attack.
Managed to get them finished and get them going. Like it was a bit much because it means double work for me, but I have to put extra effort in getting them ready and everything. But everything worked out, even though after I'm really tired, like really tired. Like I was so exhausted. I just have to come lay down, and like I was kind of mad because once my time is shown off, once my schedule is shown off, it's kind of a downhill thing for me. But I manage and I'm okay. So now this morning I got my son ready for school because I have a 9 o'clock client coming this morning. I got my son ready for school early. Make sure I reach at school like little after 8. I wash sheet this morning. I'm wash sheet for wash, but I can't wash them until after my client gone because I have 2 more pair of sheet for wash. So then I wash my client gone. So now I'm gonna make breakfast, which is a smoothie. So I'm gonna just bring with me to make the smoothie because I feel like I go a whole update. This week has been super busy. Like last week I didn't have a lot of clients, and this week my client cup is like God is coming through. Like my devotions and everything, they are so effective. Like guys, if you're struggling with anything, make God or put God before you. So that's a prayer thing, asking for exactly what you want and giving him the time of the day. It works. Right now I feel like if I'm gonna pray, it's in my mind to pray, and I just pray. Like I probably not have reverence with God or devotion or nothing, but just randomly pray. And one time I couldn't even pray, like I couldn't even find the words, but to all things and time stuff. Like nothing beats prayer these days, and I've been praying for my clientele cup to be overflown, and trust me, it is happening. And I must say thanks because listen, I need it. Anyways, enough of that. I'm gonna make my breakfast now. It's a good thing that I get up this morning and I do the basic stuff, then I spread my bed and them something there. So I'm just gonna go make my breakfast. So come along with me to do that. Alright, so sorry for the light where I reflect. I have clothes on the line, so the clothes are block the sun if I'm coming in, and then my ring light the way around there, so my camera for lift up the ring light come around there. So I couldn't know, but I will stress right now. So then I have to wash up on me so that breakfast this morning. But I'm not gonna do that until after the client because she's up on our way. I need to go sanitize my stuff them where I'm gonna use. So what I did was I have a banana and then I overripe, so I put them out of the skin and put them on the plate and freeze them because nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. Banana expensive. And so I'm gonna wash my hands. This morning I'm making a smoothie, not green blend. I'm more of making a smoothie because today Thursday, the lady said things are come. I didn't make plans to go town this morning after I'm drop off them to go to school, but I get a last minute client last night, so that plans are kind of change. We need to go town before Saturday though, because Saturday I have a full day. Saturday, absolutely full day. I have no room to breathe. Saturday, full day. So I can't do nothing at all Saturday. The most I can do after I done the last client for 3 o'clock, I go up at the big road, go get any little thing I want. But I can't left me yard for go nowhere. If I say go after 3 I go market or go nowhere Saturday. Anyways, for I have some popsicle. This is the juice I'm gonna make from Sunday. Domonic apparently he not like it. When make popsicle for him, he not like it. So I'm gonna take out probably like 1 or 2. I'm use it as my base. Like thank God the smoothie, cause I really not have the time for cook these days. Like from week, I'm putting somebody have food from Sunday. Cause from week, I not get to cook. So I basically had Sunday, Monday. Monday I not eat no food because I was so busy with clients Monday. I not eat no food. So I have the Sunday food for Tuesday and yesterday. I even have rice left over. And now my rice not spoiled. It's at the bottom of the fridge and it's still not spoiled. So I'm gonna put like 1 of this in it. And I use a cucumber. For the smoothie, because the smoothie, I really put the cucumber seed in it. Or I try to take out enough for the cucumber seed. This now it crack it up. Hopefully. You hear me? Little water at this cause I don't have no other base. Probably not use no other ice because the banana already frozen and the popsicle something frozen. So let's see. Don't need no more ice. When that going, I taste it, and now I not taste it. But the little taste I taste it tastes nice. My taste still not come back properly. But the little taste I get a while ago, tastes nice. Anyways, guys, see you in the next update. Okay? The only thing, well, the only thing is that when I use less ice, come on, juice, like I have juice to drink. There's not too much ice in me. I'm gonna sanitize now. See my next update for real this time. Morning, people. This morning I'm not doing okay because I wake up late. I woke up minutes to 7. Normally, well, I did wake up like after 5 and then I fell asleep and I woke up minutes to 7. Now, if I don't wake up like 6 o'clock or so, my whole schedule is thrown off, right? Because when I wake up that early, and people are out there, so when I wake up that early, Domonic normally have time to, like, you know, breathe before getting into the whole getting ready for school. He normally have a little bit of space, a little bit of free time. This morning we never have none. As I wake up, it was time for him to go to bed. I had to give him the cereal this morning, so you know it could have easier for him just to get ready to go to school, you know, eat faster. Of course, I'm not giving a banana, I'm giving him pineapple because them banana here now overripe, so I have to go definitely freeze the rest of them here and put on some for like make like banana fritters and them something and my smoothie. Anyways, I'm get cereal, eat pineapple. I'm gonna and get ready and can go to school. And it's still early, thanks be to God, because as I say, I have to do that, as I wake up I have to do that, so I could have just get out. I have sheet for wash, I never get to wash my sheet them this morning. That was the plan, get up and wash my sheet them. So I could have just go up on the road. That never worked out. So, anyways, with that though, you see, the negative about that is that it made my whole day throw off. Like, I feel like I can't function now. I not get to do everything in order. So now that the sun out there, so I can't go out there for go wash. So that I have to go wait and then appear afternoon rain we have now. So, I don't know, but let's see how the day goes. The good thing about this morning is when I went to Domonic school, you know, his teacher was talking to me about him. She said that Domonic have this problem where he don't know how to hold him pencil like this when him right. Like him get the work done, but you know, his first teacher, pre-K teacher, I think pre-K the same way, but in K1 teacher did kind of, you know, work around it. But it's because he's kind of new to the teacher, you know, she tell me for, well, the K1 teacher did tell me for help him. Well, me help him, but him still have challenges. But she said me for try and look harder, make him hold the pencil properly. Anyways, other than that, she tell me say, see because of that him not do no schoolwork yesterday, like him learn. So I say, oh, him tell me say him learn this and that. She say him learn, like him participate and him learn, but the part if you go to the book or write something, he don't do nothing because probably just can't bother. And she said that he's doing great, like in hearing that, like me know some of the baby, right? Like him very speedy, like him when it comes to learning and everything, him just up to par. Understand? But to hear that, if not thinking it myself, hear this from the teacher herself. So I say, I'm just happy like that alone. If the morning show up, that alone just make me morning just better. You understand? Even though, as I say, I still feel lazy and everything, but can't work around that, guys. So I never pick up with the blood from yesterday. Now yesterday the client did come late. I'm going at that. I think we're going to be honest. So let's not even go there. Anyways, yesterday my boy soup for dinner. Make a vlog to show you how I do it. So this morning I did peanut butter expired. The peanut butter I can't eat. Peanut butter got spoiled, so like it's expired, but I want to look like I'm not sure the one. I don't like how so look at this. I'm not sure the one. I'm full of peanut butter and I'm full of peanut butter. I'm gonna scrape out the buckles so I can use the buckle for seasoning. A little bit I can use. I like other one day. This I want something at the back item I like. So that's it. This are empty. Which means I'm gonna start using one here. When the expired date on this? You can't even see it. But God know it I got eat see me. Whether it expire or not, it I got eat see me. I use them in my smoothie. So I have this one at home and I have one next big one at home. And I have one big half one in the fridge. And if you take them out in I forgot Google how I can get rid of the peanut butter and I put hot water in it. If you take them out. Anyways, this morning smoothie, guys. I have orange juice, I have the pineapple dough because I got this morning. I have the same something I used yesterday. The juice I'm going to freeze up for them. I have banana That alone I have. So I'm not going to make no fruit smoothie. I make one shake with banana, oats and peanut butter. That's all I have. Oh, I have Lasco. Vanilla Lasco. So I'm going to use that. And see how it's big? I make too much. But I'm going to drink it little until it's done. It tastes alright. And that's in a nice. So I prefer the fruits, something. Green blends on them, something. That's how I say that. The season, something them should have in it. But I feel more confident about it. I just feel like I just eat fruits. Or something like that. Fruits. Kind of actual nuts. Not in it. But yeah. Just feel like I eat little fruits and little fiber. Everything else night already count to me. But catch you in my next upload. I done ugly and I do my face so that's not cute. Morning guys, it's today is Saturday and welcome to the final update for this vlog. It's after 5 in the morning. I'm in the kitchen. Let me feel so tired. I'm in the kitchen I record because damn no wake yet. Even though as he miss me, I will get up because I'm going to figure some morning now. But I'm in the kitchen I record because I don't want to wake him. Guys, I have to wake up this early because I have a 7:30 a.m. client and I have 2 9 o'clock clients after that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack. I think I'm going to bring my kit because too heavy. So I'm going to pack something for after I'm doing the 9 o'clock client there, I have a next client, the next house call after that man Spanish Town Road. So I'm going to pack enough stuff for 3 clients and then after that I'm going to come back home for the next client. It's supposed to be 3 o'clock client, but if I leave out, if I don't need it in time, I'll leave it for 3 o'clock. So that's on the agenda for today. So I'm going to have to get up early to start my day early because I don't want to backlog my all. I don't want to stress. So I have to start my day early. Understand? I get up this morning editing the vlog. I start editing. So far I'm vlog like 41 minutes. I don't know why. Because yesterday I recorded this smoothie. I did the entire smoothie that did long. So I'm going to chop. Your dreams are got janky. You love country though. And cat one bite it too. One white cat.
Yeah, and it come upon me and it bites me.
Oh no. Well, I'm glad it's just a dream. Yes, so it didn't happen in real life. You are okay. No cat can't come bite you, okay? I wonder if I had teeth in pussy up there. Where teeth in pussy in sunshine? A teeth in sunshine you seen in a dream? Teeth, I must teeth in sunshine. Criminal.
It bites me like this.
Rudy.
I don't want to eat my food.
Want to eat your food? Sunshine must be crazy. Who want to eat my baby food? Eh?
What for carrying
6 o'clock.
for the police? Yes.
Came to the police station. Me here upstairs at the national anthem on the radio at 6 o'clock now. So now that them is awake, I can turn on the light. I have to go make him breakfast early. Guys, them love hot dog. I'm not buying a hot dog bread because I always have my time for the search for hot dog bread. So I give me regular bread. I give him the regular bread and fold it over the frankfurter.
I have toys.
Hey guys, from yesterday, we go up on the road and get him something because I say him teacher say I do good in our school or something. So I'm looking foolishness there. I take out 3 of them because the last time I there, I'm stepfather, him tell me to buy one pack of chocolate, a pack of carrots with 12 in it, and him give me all 12, and he was like, why you doing that? Like split up the ties and give him some and left some for next time. For him tell us him want ties again, you can have them if you take out and give me so that you buy every minute. And I said okay, good point. So I did just that. So now he threw a tantrum last night. One piece of tantrum him throwing out because he want the next 3. But caffeine business is not getting. Anyways, I'm gonna start pack out. So I don't think there's going to be an update after this. I'm not going to say at the client before and after. So let me close out this vlog from... No, I'm not close out. I'm going to close it out later. Anyways, see you in my next update.
My resting bitch faces let's take toward me, girl. What if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked, someone who never has loved but knows how to take it. All you need is somebody who sees a wall and breaks it. She know I remind her all the time that pussy mine. When she start acting out of line, put that dick all in her spine, and she ride dick like a taxi. Cold little bitch in the backseat, miles high club for the backseat. I've been running through the pussy like a track meet, pulling on the lace with a track beat. Once upon the face with a Maybelline, bring the other tape, go make a scene. And she can remedy like she facial cream. Sneak out the pussy, then
So guys, I add other clients, but those will be posted on my page. So make sure to follow me on my page at Shanie Beauty Artistry to see those pictures because I couldn't get to edit everything, but follow me there to see the rest of the pictures and videos, of course. Hey guys, so I am back home. My house call me for go. Them cancel, as in said them come to me instead. So I wait for she to come and one next girl to come after she. So it's been a rough day. Rough day. So I'm gonna end the vlog now. It's been a stressful week, but thanks be to God I am okay for the most part. Anyways, see you in my next vlog next week, and big up on yourself. Then I see who.
Me.
Alright, come tell them bye, Domonic. Come and say bye.
Bye.
So see you next week.
See you next week.
And please to like,
And please do like,
share,
share,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
This them for do or this. So them for do this or this. Thumbs up or thumbs down.
Don't.
Alright, and you hear that? Thumbs up the video. You know more for me. Bye guys.
Bye.
she know I remind her all the time that pussy mine. When she start acting out